Square Park. What's your name?
My name's lupmon.
Say it again?
Lupmon.
Lupmon. Where you from originally?
Originally, West Africa, Benin.
Nice.
Small little country to the west of Nigeria.
Now, have you ever lived there, or you just originally from the States?
Originally from the States, Jersey City to be exact.
Yep.
But I've been there a few times.
Yep.
It was pretty dope. I went there initially when I was young, back in like 2007.
Yep.
And not gonna lie, like, it kind of gave like a stereotypical Africa look, you know, some rolling blackouts and all that.
That's how it is, you said?
That's how it was.
Oh, that's how it was at one point? Okay.
Yeah, but the thing is, every time I went, it got like more and more and more advanced. Last time I went was like 2019.
Yeah.
I had data over there, man.
Oh, what?
I had data, like
data?
4G.
Oh, nice.
You know, yeah, they got paved roads, 4G, like,
nice.
It's kind of great seeing the upgrade itself.
Now, did your parents originally come from there and then migrated over here? Or?
Yeah, that's exactly what they did.
Nice,
they came from there, you know, they lived in France for a bit.
Nice.
And they came here.
So what are you doing here in Washington Square Park, man? You go to school over here?
Yeah, I go to school out
NYU?
here. NYU? Exactly.
So what do you major in anything over there?
Major in data science.
Data science?
Yeah, that's a hard ass major.
That's
For anyone thinking of that, like, you really got to be committed for it, you know?
Yeah. So what does that consist of? Just like a lot of mathematics and like.
Yeah, whenever I try to explain to somebody, I say it's like
a stupid barber, man.
it's like statistics and computer science had a baby.
Oh wow.
Yeah.
That's pretty deep.
It's something.
Yeah.
But I enjoy it though, cause like
dope.
I like the whole like data research and all that.
Yeah.
So I like the research part.
Yeah.
Coding part, all right.
Yeah.
It's just the math part that be kicking my ass, but
yeah.
I understand why you need the math, because, you know,
yeah,
you get that information about the data.
Yeah. That's pretty dope.
Word.
So you hang out in Washington Square Park a lot? Like, I mean.
Yeah, I mean, especially last year, though, this was really the spot, because everything was closed down, so.
Oh, so a lot of people used to come over here?
Yeah, it was different before. Like, Wash is nice now, but like, the way it was before, it was always jumping.
Yeah.
And the thing about that, it's not always safe, because I even had to run it out here.
Oh, you got a problem out here?
Yo, huge problem, bro.
Yeah?
Yo, final season last year, literally finals. I didn't even finish up school.
Yeah.
Bro, I got knocked out.
You got knocked out?
Absolutely snuffed.
But what snuffed?
Crazy ass story.
Though?
No clue. That's what got me fucked up, because I'm out here paying hospital bills and all that shit, and this motherfucker's supposed to be paying all that, and got no clue, no help.
Somebody just ran up on you and just.
Not gonna lie, it's a bit of my fault.
Yeah.
But
what happened?
So here's what happened. You know, you're on the park. Yeah. Obviously, you're gonna be lit in the park.
Yeah, you were drinking? Or?
Yeah, drinking. I'm always smoking and shit like that. You know, I'll be lit.
So
like
you were
that.
like with other college kids, or?
Yeah, I was some of my boys.
Yeah.
And what happened was, I was trying to throw my bottle out.
You trying to throw your bottle at somebody?
Yeah, somebody, not somebody. But I was trying to throw in the garbage. But you know, I'm teed.
Oh, throw it out.
Yeah, I'm teed. I don't play ball, bro. I play soccer, so I'm going with my feet, not my hands.
Yep.
When I threw that bottle, I absolutely missed it. I almost hit some heads. They got mad, but you know, I'm not that type of guy. I started apologizing OD.
Yeah. And
a lot of people, they understood. They're like, all right, we understand.
Yeah.
But one guy just was not having it.
Yeah.
Mind you, I was knocked out, so this was a story told by my friend.
Yeah.
But he said this one guy, he just was not having my apology.
Yeah.
And he just kept on going off at me.
Yeah.
And he said something mad disrespectful to me. And he said my mood completely had a full 180.
Yeah.
And we was just going at it. We were just like slinging just like curse words and going back and forth to it. Yeah.
Wow.
His boy came in between us. My boy came in between us. Started pulling us away.
Yeah.
And shit started to de-escalate. We started walking away.
Yeah.
He ran from behind, gave me a good little pop with the side of the head.
Wow.
When I fell, I hit the bench and then I hit the floor. They said I was laid out for a good few seconds.
Yeah.
When I came back up, they said I was not speaking English. It was just like mad gibberish.
Really?
Yeah, they said I was just like acting mad weird and shit like that. And they were trying to find out like, oh, well, yo.
Yeah.
We called my roommate and said, yo, you need to come check on your boy, see if he's good and see if he got to go home.
Yeah.
When my roommate came down, he saw me as like, bro, he is not okay.
This is at nighttime? Or?
Yeah, this is at nighttime. Like,
So you came. So what do you do? You came from your college campus and just like came to chill in the park. Like this is the place where everybody kind of chills at.
Yeah, it's always.
So most of the college kids chill here.
Most of the college kids, people in New York, like especially like when pandemic was really at its height and everything was like closed. Like you can't go to no clubs and like that. All the clubs that was open, they was really trying to be hidden with it. So like shit was really just like everything was here, you know.
Yeah.
So after they realized that, they ended up calling me Uber. They sent me to the hospital.
Yeah.
Yo, they said when I was in the hospital, they said I was tweaking. I just wouldn't pay attention to any of the nurses, shit like that. To move around, all that shit, not listening to nobody. Put me in a medically induced coma because like I just kept on seizing, not being still, and just acting up, you could say.
Yeah, that's crazy,
so
man.
I was in a coma for like a day and a half.
Yeah.
But with the craziest part for me, because all I remember is going out, drinking a bit.
Yeah.
And I just remember waking up in a hospital bed with a detective at the corner of the room.
Wow.
Yo, when I woke up seeing a detective, I thought I fucked up. I was like, oh,
you thought you got in trouble doing something?
Yeah, but then I realized I'm not in cuffs, and they're like, yo, like, it was here to actually help me find out what I know. Yeah. But I was knocked out. What you expect me to know, you know?
That's crazy, bro.
But the craziest part about that was like the last time I seen that detective. He ain't helped nothing with the whole case, nothing like that.
So then, like, how you feel now, like coming to the park, like with everything, like, you feel safe, or you feel like, you know, somebody, you know, you don't know who it is, or?
That's the thing for me. Since I don't remember nothing, I'm like, it just doesn't bother me. But one of my boys, he just doesn't come to the park no more because he's seen that. He's seen that whole thing happen. He's like, yo, like, I'm not trying to be here. Like, I literally just saw one of my best friends. Like, one of my boys was with me. Like, he don't go here, but like I knew him since I was like, that's like family friends. Since I was a baby, like before I had memory, you know.
Wow.
So he's like, yo.
He goes to school as well?
Nah.
Okay. Oh, he was just chilling out with you over here?
Yeah, he was just chilling with me.
It gets pretty dark in here at night, or what?
Yeah, it gets dark, rowdy. Yeah. Honestly, myself, I haven't been out here at night in a minute, to be honest, because one, that, and two, like, now that shit's open, there's no reason to be chilling at night at the park, you know? Actually, funny.
Hearing your story is crazy.
Yeah,
we didn't come with the intentions to hear, like, you know, like, we didn't know that was gonna happen.
Nah,
that's how it is.
Clue.
You know?
That's some people really be walking around with stories. That's another thing why I actually came out here, because, like, if I'm being honest, like, since I live in this area my whole life, and another thing is, my parents were like, what did your parents say about what happened to you? Oh man, they was just so glad I was alive.
That
they
probably don't even want you in the park. How old are you, by the way?
I'm 20 right now.
20?
Yeah.
Oh, you're so young, man.
Yeah, almost. Sure, I'm glad I'm here. Almost became a damn statistic, man.
Yeah, for sure.
Almost didn't make it to 20.
That's crazy.
Real crazy. Funny thing about going to NYU, the thing is, I didn't even want to, like, before my senior year, I had no desire to go into school in New York. Because, like, most of the time I was out here, since my family were, like, the first of my parents were, like, the first of their family to be the first ones in the U.S.
Oh, yeah?
Like, whenever someone want to travel to America, they come here. I have to give them that whole little tourist trip in New York.
Bring them to, like, 42nd Street, Times Square.
Yeah, exactly, all that. So I was getting tired of being in New York. But then my senior year, I started heading to the city, found myself much more, just chilling out here, and I just realized, just talking to people, like, I just love talking to mad random people.
Man. So what's your plan, man, when you get out of school?
So my most ideal scenario would be I'd be doing freelance work. And since I'm be doing freelance work, I'll be having my own time to myself. So I'd love to travel. If I don't have no wifey right after college, you know, I'm gonna be like, yo, let me just travel, see the world, you know?
That's dope. So you're gonna try to, like, go backpacking and stuff like that, or?
Yeah, definitely.
Like, we go, like, different countries and stuff like that?
Yeah, definitely hitting backpacking, travel, hitting different hostels.
You're still young, man, you know? You gotta get it in, you know? Before you end up settling down one day, you know?
For sure.
Yeah, that's cool, man. How long you got for school? How long you got left?
After this year, I'm in my second year right now. It's coming towards an end.
So you would figure another 2 more?
Yeah, it should be.
Total?
Hope so.
Nice.
Yeah, I don't know. People be talking about masters this, masters that. I'm done with school, bro. I don't know how. Talking about I want to do more in school. That's crazy. Yeah, what I'm trying to find out is find a way to put my my major and my minor together, you know?
Gotcha.
I'm trying to find out how to get history and data science to work together. So, it's
Hey
interesting.
man, I'm glad you're still alive, man, for real. That's kind of crazy. Like you was out in a coma and like got snuck like that. And,
Sure, yeah, that's
hey man, God bless. That's crazy.
life real crazy, man.
Yeah, life is crazy. But you still here, you still going strong. So
I'm been
and
mad.
you learn your lesson.
I'm been mad I didn't get to fight though.
Say it again.
I'm mad I didn't get to fight.
Nah,
Like if it was
bro.
like
you don't need to be out here fighting, bro. You got too much going for yourself. You know
I
what I'm saying?
do, but like a snuck instead of being like yo square up.
Yeah.
You know, at least let me lose respectfully. You know.
Yeah, exactly.
It should be like that.
All right, hey. Yeah, but you don't gotta be running around these New York streets going crazy, man.
Oh
Trust me.
hell no! You know, I'm not a
You got
fighter
too much
myself.
winning to do, man. You want to travel. The dude who snuck you, trust me, he's not thinking like you thinking, bro.
Fendi.
He's definitely not in college.
I doubt.
You know what I mean? Like,
You risking it all.
yeah, seriously, bro. Like, you know what I'm saying? And he probably don't know what the hell happened to you. He probably just gone. You know?
No, he don't. He
I'm not coming back
don't.
over
He
there.
literally, yo. If
He's like, I'm
I
definitely not coming back over there. He don't know what happened, you know? So. Come on, check out the haircut, man. Tell me what you think.
Ooh, shit, make this in the park. Oh.
Sir,
Yeah, that's better than the other barber. I'm telling you. I'm telling you.
fresh.
This is
Exactly, yep.
that's valid. That's yo. Thank you, yo. The goal himself. Y'all, I'm gonna need an app.
Easy Blade shaving products.
Make sure to give us a follow.
Definitely.